This how to 1 minute will show you how to set up Google Ads on Shopify. Follow these easy steps to set up your Google AdSense ads to your Shopify website. So open Google AdSense and log into your account. And as you can see, I've successfully connected my Shopify here. And once you connected your Shopify website with Google AdSense, here click on see how ads look on your site. Click on explore. And now here you will get your Shopify website preview. You can make the preview desktop view from here. And now it's time to customize the ads for our website. Here you will get these ad settings option. So click on it and enable auto ads. So automatically show ads across your site in all the best places. You can enable this. And after that, as you can see, the Google Ads sample has been added to my Shopify store. And now you can change these ads position size from here. So click on overlay formats, and from here you can anchor ads. You can side reel ads. You can make the ad side reel from here. You can vignette ads, full screen ads that appear between page leads. You can enable this option. And from here you can change vignette ad frequency times. Now click on back and click on in page formats. You can select banner ads or multiplex ads. Selecting here banner ads, and you can change the ad flow time from here. Click on back. So customize Google Ads from here, then click on apply to site, and Google Ads will be automatically inserted in your Shopify. And you can add Google Analytics ad to your Shopify manually by clicking on get code. And here you will get code. All you have to just copy this code and place this code on every page across your site, and Google will automatically show ads in all the best places for you. So that's how we can set up Google Ads on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.